What are you doing?
The Baron of the Big
What are you
Bite.
doing?
The Sultan of the Slurp. The King of Convenience.
My name is Jordan Pinto, and I'm the president and CEO of 7-Eleven.
What are you doing?
7-Eleven is a 24-hour convenience store. It's open 7 days a week, 365 days a year. The brand 7-Eleven is 82 years old. We use a franchise model whereby we partner with independent operators and they distribute our products and we support them with our support staff back in Dallas. There's roughly 200,000 plus associates that operate 7-Eleven's business. And my role is obviously to ensure that this business is moving forward and profitable. I'm originally from Chicago. My father was a blue-collar worker. I started my first job delivering newspapers when I was 13 years old. You know, I've always thought it's important to work hard, and I basically worked my way up to the top.
Come on, bud.
When I come from the military and was a graduate of West Point.
Bye. Bye.
The time that I spent
Bye.
was formative for me.
Look, he's following me.
Would you please grab that Lego piece right there?
Yep.
And this now looks like a kayak.
It does.
I'm going to connect them. I'm going to connect. Look, Bob, look at this boat.
Oh, I love it.
And this, and I want you to go downstairs in my room, and I want you to get that other Lego piece, like attach it to this right here, so it can float like what? Okay? Downstairs on my desk, where I drive the boat, where I drive the wheel.
So that we can be mission ready. That's the same thing in running stores. In particular, I want to find out how the communication from our store support center in Dallas is flowing down through our organization and ultimately to our stores. That's why I'm going undercover. Going to the executive committee meeting. I think they're going to be really surprised when I tell them what I'm about to do. See, you guys put me right at the head of the table. Let's go ahead and get started. I called this impromptu meeting today to let you guys know that I'll be going undercover within our organization. I'll be spending a week in our stores and our distribution centers on the front lines.
Bye.
Do you think you'll learn anything from this experience that might cause us to take a different look at our strategy moving forward?
You don't want to know the answer. Look, I'll be focusing on spending time in the field where the rubber meets the road. I'm going to see what we're not doing well.